So hello guys, so today we are going to look at trading the financial market using technical analysis. As I've been saying, we have two major ways of analyzing the financial market. Be it if you want to trade forex market, if you want to trade stock market, or any other financial market you want to trade. So there are different strategies you can use apart from psychology and other risk management. Okay, so but today we have two strategies you can use to analyze the financial market. Yes, if you are trading the forex, can use it. If you are trading stocks, you can use it. Then one of the ways is fundamental analysis. Under fundamental analysis, you are using economic news. You are using economic news to analyze the market. You are using economic news to analyze. So you must be grown. You must be addictive to economic news. That's number one. But the easiest one, or the second one, is using technical analysis. That is why I bring you to tradingview.com. So this is tradingview.com. And this is my account. So let me leave this. I will start from beginning. Okay, when you open this tradingview.com, you have other platforms in which you can use to trade, which you can use to technically analyze the forex market or the stock market, that is the financial market. So you have MetaTrader 4, you have MetaTrader 5, you have so many of them. But for now, I will be introducing you to this TradingView. Later on, I will do a video on how to navigate through this trading view. But now I am going to teach you how you can use one of the indicators to analyze the financial market. All right, so when you come here, you move down to products. When you move down to product, you go to chart. And you click on the chart. Okay, once you click on the chart, this one will come up. So let me check if this my thing is still, my video is still on. Okay, still recording. All right, so but today I'm going to introduce you to an indicator, and that indicator is RSI indicator, relative strength index. So you move here, you can see my mouse, my cursor. You can see indicators. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see search here. Then you type RSI. Okay, once you type RSI, you move on this one. You see this one. If you like, you favorite it. Once you start using the strategy and you love using it, you can make it favorite. Once you click here now, this star will be yellow in color. You can make it favorite. And let me click on it. Okay. You have seen. Look at the indicator here. See the indicator? It has appeared here. Now the strategy of this indicator is very simple, very simple. You as a beginner, you can be using this and you will do well in the financial market, in the forex market or the stock market. You will do well very much. Even some professionals use this indicator, although some of them use it as a confirmation to what they want to do. All right, so yes, you can use it. You can even use only it and make money out of the market. and take profit out of the market. So I want to explain how this indicator works. It's very simple. It's very simple. Now okay, this is FTN Coco. This is stock market. This is stock market. Okay, let's go to, should I go to, no, let me leave it here. Or should I go to crypto? Forex market is on, is not on now. Okay, this is Nigeria stock market. Should I go to crypto? Let me leave it here and just explain. So as you can see these lines, just leave these settings like this. Once you set it, RSI 14 close, just leave it like this. If you want to change some certain things, you go to this setting. Once you click on the setting, that's when you begin to do setting like this, or just leave it the way it is. It's okay, just leave it the way it is. Yeah. Let's leave it the way it is. Now the way it works is that you can see this you can see these lines here. You can see these lines you are seeing here, these moving lines. Let me see if I'll maximize it now. You can see these lines here. So once this line, what this line, this yellow line, your own can be, if you want this line, you can change it to any color. But the most important thing is a chart. This line chart, this thing that you have, under chart we have candlestick, but this one is a line chart. But it's not this one I'm talking of, it's this yellow one I'm talking about. Once this yellow line crosses here from 30 and below, you buy. From 30 and below, you buy. But once it gets to this yellow line, gets to this 70 and above, you sell off. Yes, you sell off. So that is the simple strategy of this indicator. Now let's do back testing. Let's see how let's do back testing. Let's see how profitable this strategy is. Now when you look at this chart now, you see okay, when you look at this chart now, you are going to see, you can see once you can see the line. Once the line have started, you can see the line, this one, it got to okay, it got to let's look for where and this line is already within 36, and you buy from here. And once you got to this 36, you can see the market started moving up. The market started moving up. Okay, so once it got to, you can see see another perfect example. This is from 60 now. By the time you check it, you calculate this thing from 60 now, the market started selling off. So this is 68 going to 70, is 76 going to 70, the market started selling off. I've seen it now. Once you hit here, this is 73. The price go to 73. So the market started selling off. So once it gets to 70, know that the market will soon start selling off. It happened here. It sold and sold and sold and got back to 49 before it started climbing up again. So you can buy from 70 and below. You can even buy from you can buy from 30 and below. You can buy from 31, 32, 36, even up to 40. But the perfect strategy, the perfect one to enter this market is if this line, this yellow line you are seeing, it gets to 30 or below 30, you buy there, so that when it started climbing up, you make massive profit. But you can buy from 35, you can buy from 40. You can, yes, but if you want to make massive profit from this strategy, buy from that 30 or below, so that when it started climbing up, you make massive profit. So you have seen when you got to 70, market started selling off. So here it got to 36, it started buying. Then let's move down as well. This is 37. You can see this line, this is the price. You can see this, what I'm touching. Okay, now this is the this is 66, started selling off. Okay, let's still check. So it's what you settle down and do back testing. If it's in the stock market, you cannot lose your money in the stock market, or else if you sell below the price you bought. I've been telling people that financial market trading is just like every other trading. Somebody that opens a shop, you bought biscuit, maybe 20 naira if you are, or $20, and you sell for 25 naira. You have made 5 naira per biscuit you bought. But once you bought those biscuits, you do not sell, most times you are not selling those. You do not sell all the biscuits you bought in one day. So the same thing goes to trading. When you buy, if it's stock market, when you buy companies shares unit, in a day it can move 5%, 10%. If you want to sell in a day, if you're a day trader, you sell. But the game is patience. The game just like shop. So when you learn financial market, you have started a new business. So you can do back testing and see how all this thing play out. You can see this one now. Hey, this is a huge jump. What? So the market started from here and jumped. It did not sell until it got to 95. What? Which date is this? This is a Wednesday, 12 July 2023. Yeah, this I'm using 14-hour period. What is a massive profit here? So that's the strategy. You can buy from, once it gets to this line, gets to 30 and below, you can buy. Once it gets to 35, 40, you can still buy. But if you want to make better profit, it's from that 30 down. You buy. Look for FOREX pair or company or a stock market. The company that is the RSI is telling you what I'm telling you now. You just buy and you make your money. As simple as that, you know. So this is Uzie FMT, Uzie Financial Market Trading. Financial market trading. So follow me on this channel. You are going to learn more, many things, especially strategies. I'll be dropping stock recommendation often and on, and other financial instrument recommendation. Yes, but if you want to learn the business of financial market trading, you see, this strategy, this technical analysis, these indicators, you can use it to trade any financial instrument, be it stocks, be it forex, any financial instrument. You can use it to trade it. So that is the thing I do here. If you have a private coaching program, if you want to learn how to, because especially in forex or in this trading, you need discipline, you need psychology, you need positive mind, you need risk management. So if you want to learn it as a, let's say, okay, this is my business. When you wake up in the morning, you check the market. As you open your shop or as you go to your office, you check the market, you analyze, and you place a trade. By the end of the day or by the end of the week, you make your money. You make your money. If you want to learn it, I have a private coaching or training program, one-on-one. So you go to the description of this video, you are going to see the details. Go to the description of this video, you are going to see the details. You are going to learn so many strategies. But bear it in mind that there is no strategy that is 100% accurate. There is no strategy that is 100% accurate, even if it's ICT or SMC or all these indicators I'll be telling you in this channel, I'll be teaching you in this channel. None of them is 100% accurate. But the thing is, some of them will give you, if you're able to get 60%, 70%, 80%, 90% out of your trade. Like for example, if you place 10 trades and you're able to win 7, or you're able to win 6, I'm talking of forex. So I'm talking of forex. You make your money, because you do one. If you are doing 1:2 or 1:3, you put $1 to make $2. You put $1 to make $3. By the time you calculate it, even in your, if you make like, if you win 70%, if you win 70% and you calculate your plus and minus, you see, you will still see that you are in huge profit. But if it's in the stock market, you don't need to panic. Even when the company price is going down, you don't need to panic. The key to success in the stock market is patience. Patience. That's why in my group, when you enter my group, I do a weekly stock recommendation on that stock. Weekly stock recommendation. You buy, then if you want to, if you get to 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%, you can sell. I cannot tell you when to sell. It depends on the percentage you are comfortable with. You sell. So thank you very much. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media platforms. Go to description of this video. You are going to see more. Thank you very much. You are going to see more details. Like this video, share this video with your friends. And this is a time frame. This time frame. You can see 30 seconds, 40 seconds. You can see 30 minutes, 15 minutes. You can see 1 hour. You can see 4 hours. You can see 1 day, and so on and so forth. But I use from 4 hours and above, so that I can see the market properly. Okay, so this is okay. Let's check. You can see here. Let me show you this one now. When the RSI got to, you can see this, got to 78, it started selling. In fact, once it got to 71, that is 71, it started selling small. So you can see, you can see this red red candle here. You can see this red candle. You can see this red candle means selling. Okay, it started moving up again, small, but it started selling hugely from where 94. You can see the red candle here. You can see this red candle means that the market is selling. The market is selling. Okay, you can see what you can see. So that is where you see huge selling. It's just that it will not sell from in the other number, that is from 70 below, between 70 and the 30. It's not that it will not sell, but it will sell. But in most cases, where you will start seeing huge selling is from that 70. Once you get 70 and above, expect huge selling. But once it gets to 30 and below, expect huge buying. This is when you will buy. Expect huge buying. Thank you very much. Share this video. All right.